the raw data that we are talking of is cumbersome, lengthy, haphazard, not easy to handle. Therefore, we put this raw data into series. Series means that we put the data in order or sequence, and thus now we are going to study how the raw data is presented as statistical data. When we talk of statistical data, it is of two types, the individual series and the frequency series. In this, first of all, I am going to talk about the individual series. Individual, as the word is indicating, it means single. Okay, the information that we will be deriving will be single, and this individual series can either be put in ascending order, descending order or serial number, and I shall teach you all of them. Say for example, serial number, how will we put it? Then we will say roll number and marks, right? This is I am teaching you serial number individual series. It will be roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Roll number 1 has got say 60 marks. Roll number 2 has 80, roll number 3 has 40, roll number 5 has 70 and roll number 5 has got 50 marks. This kind of individual series is called as the serial number series, right? Now, I will be converting this same data as ascending data. Now, ascending data will be, it is roll number, which is the least here that we will be talking of. Roll number 3 has got 40 marks. Then roll number 1 has got, roll number 5 has got 50 marks. Roll number 1 has got 60 marks. Roll number 4 has got 70 marks and roll number 2 has got 80 marks. When this variable, when this is presented in ascending order, then it is called as the ascending order individual series. The number, the information that we are getting are of an individuals only, but they have been presented in the ascending order. Now, let me put this data into the descending order. It will be roll number 2 gets 80, roll number 4 gets 70, roll number 1 gets 60, roll number 5 gets 50, roll number 3 gets 40. So, this is the descending order. Here again the information is same, but now it is based on descending order. Now, you see how easy it has become. Supposing I were to just put it in raw form, in the raw data, I will be saying 60, 70 and 50, 40 and the last number that is left is, I have talked about 60, 70, 80, 50, 40, okay. You will not know what is happening, where is the highest one, where is the least one, neither do you know that which roll number has got or which roll number has got what marks. Thus, this raw data, when it is presented in individual series, it is presented in three forms. It could be in serial number, you know roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 immediately. If somebody asks you roll number 3 has got how many marks, you know 40 marks. When it has to be presented in ascending order, somebody asks you which is the least marks and by whom, you will say roll number 3 40 marks. Descending, then again it is very clear which is the highest marks, roll number 2 80, least roll number 3 40. So, thus the presentation of data in the individual series as the series of serial number ascending or descending is making it very easy for us to understand. And this is the conversion of raw data into statistical data.